I don't even recognize myself anymore. I look in the mirror and I know the face, but I don't know the woman. Mwari Dirikubi, where did I go? I used to laugh so easily. I used to dream without being afraid. I had plans for my life. I knew exactly who I wanted to become. Then I met you, and little by little you taught me to doubt myself. You called me difficult when I asked for respect. You called me crazy when I questioned your lies. You hurt me, then convinced me that I was the reason I was hurting. I apologized for things I didn't do. I said sorry, just to keep the peace. I started watching every word before it left my mouth. I stopped being myself, just to become someone you wouldn't leave. Dakarasika, dichieza kukufadai. And nobody noticed, because I still went to work. I still answered the phone. I still smiled in pictures. I still said, I'm fine. But inside I was disappearing. Where did I go? Somewhere between loving you and surviving you, I disappeared. I lost my voice, I lost my joy, I lost the woman I used to be. Where did I go? I was standing right there, but I wasn't really there. Wanting this forget. Find her, find her, find her, find her, find her. Mari Mutsvageti. Find her, bring her home. Find her, bring her home. Find her. I stopped answering friends because I didn't know what to say. How do you explain that the person you love is slowly destroying you? I deleted messages before anyone could see them. I covered bruises that weren't always on my skin. Some wounds don't bleed, they live in your confidence. They live in the way you stop looking at yourself. They live in the way you apologize for existing. I became good at pretending, good at smiling, good at saying it's complicated, when the truth was I was broken. Moyo wangu wakanga wabutika. And the hardest part, I started believing everything they said about me. Maybe I am too much, maybe I'm not enough, maybe nobody will ever love me properly. Maybe this is all I deserve. Until one night God interrupted the light. Where did you go? I heard heaven calling my name. Where did you go? I knew you were still there, buried underneath the fear, buried underneath the shame, buried underneath everything they made you believe. Wanangutoka. I never stopped knowing you. I thought God had forgotten me, but I had forgotten myself. I thought God wasn't listening, but He was listening to every prayer I couldn't speak. Every night I cried silently. He heard. Every time I smiled when I wanted to collapse, He saw. Every time I said, I'm okay, when I wasn't, He knew. You created me, please find me. Nditsvagei Baba, Nditsvagei Baba, Nditsvagei Baba. Ibatsirei kudzoka, Nditsvagei Baba. And God didn't ask me to become who I was before. He said, you knew. So I started again, one morning at a time, one prayer at a time, one boundary at a time, one tear at a time. I learned that peace doesn't have to be earned. I learned that love doesn't require me to disappear. I learned that forgiveness doesn't mean returning to what destroyed me. And slowly I started hearing my own voice again. Oh, where did I go? I found her. She's still here. The dreams are still here. The laughter is still here. The woman I thought was dead, God was protecting her. The pain didn't finish me. The betrayal didn't define me. The manipulation didn't become my identity. God found me when I couldn't find myself. Maiva kanditswaga, maiva kandisimuza, maiva kanditsosera kwandiri. Who found me? Jesus. Who saw me? Jesus. Who stayed when everyone left? I disappeared, but he found me. I was broken, but he held me. I was lost, but he called me home. Where did I go? I thought I lost myself, but God knew exactly where I was. I was never invisible to him. I was never too broken for him. I was never too far gone. Did it could be. Where did I go? I used to laugh so easily. I used to dream without being afraid. I had plans for my life. I knew exactly who I wanted to become. Then I met you. And little by little you taught me to doubt myself. You called me difficult when I asked for respect. You called me crazy when I questioned your lies. You heard me, then convinced me that I was the reason I was hurting. I apologized for things I didn't do. I said sorry just to keep the peace. I started watching every word before it left my mouth. I stopped being myself just to become someone you wouldn't leave. Ndagarasika, dichiedza kukufanza. And nobody noticed because I still went to work. I still answered the phone, I still smiled in